Project that I've been sort of thinking about doing for a while. I had made something that was very sort of quick and dirty, just to keep the bike stood upright under its own weight rather than leaning against the wall, because I was getting in trouble for making marks on the back wall. So I decided, you know, this was a perfect opportunity to build something that was a bit more sort of aesthetically pleasing. In terms of when it came to designing the piece, the Dremel had a big kind of role to play in that, because I think when I'd initially sort of decided to do it, it was going to be something that was quite, I suppose, boxy and probably fairly simple in its construction. Whereas with the Dremel, I think it's given me the opportunity to be able to build something that's a lot more aesthetically pleasing. My idea for the project is that the bike stand is going to incorporate a sort of a mounting for the back wheel that's going to be in the shape of the back wheel. In order to do that, using the Dremel has enabled me to sort of create an inlay into a piece of wood that the curved shape will fit into, something that I wouldn't have been able to do prior with the amount of tools that I've got. I'm going to be just going through the next stage of the bike stand, which is basically to start shaping the main mount. So as you can see, the drawing on the piece of wood there, that's the piece I'm going to be cutting out this afternoon and start forming that shape. I've done all the pieces now, as you can see. I'm just going to use the Dremel now just to shape that back edge, and then that should be that completed. I've been building a bike stand over the last few weeks using the Dremel. I'll start off by showing you the finished piece. So here he is in all his glory. So very happy with the result. I'll I suppose just show you a few of the details that the Dremel's kind of been used for to help me put the piece together. So the first, I suppose the major success with the Dremel that gave me for tools that I didn't have sort of that would have done the job correctly was the inlays, as you can see there. So the main piece that creates this shape, I cut some inlays into these two pieces of wood using the Dremel tool to make that cut. I'm very impressed with that. I think that's probably the biggest success that the Dremel had. Secondly, the shaping of the wood as well. So you see here that sort of beveled edge there. Again, using the Dremel, I was really impressed with it.